How to create account in Telegram without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create an account in Telegram without phone number, or in case you don't have a number and you want to log into Telegram, then I'll show you how you can do so. First, you want to open up Telegram. Now tap on start messaging, and as you can see, it'll give you an option to only log in through your phone number. Now there is no any other option, no email, no any other Facebook links or social media links that you can connect your account with. It's as simple and straight. You can see it'll ask you for phone number. Now in this case, what you want to do is, unfortunately you can't log in without phone number, but there is a quick trick. What you can do is you can head into your browser and you can search in for the phone number, virtual phone number. You can type in virtual phone number, or you can type in phone number virtual, and you'll get these particular links here if you scroll down below, and you can see the free virtual phone numbers, or you'll get paid ones too. So you can sign up to them and you can go ahead and you can get the virtual number, where you can go ahead and type it here, select the country and type in the virtual number that you get, and then go back to the link, and there they'll provide you the available SMS that they receive on that particular number, and then you can go ahead and you can type in the code and you can log in or create new account. So this way you can create an account in Telegram if you don't own a phone number. However, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.